Hi guys, this is me View. So welcome to my channel. And so today I'm going to do another pick a card reading, and for today's reading we will find out whether your person will contact you or not. The question can be other way around, whether he will reach out to you or not. Okay, so and we will look into the situation, we will look into some messages that he wants to convey if he was near you. Alright, so I'm doing the shuffling on camera. If you wish to skip the shuffling, you can. Okay, and so yeah, yes, and before I begin, I would always request you to please subscribe to my channel. How many cards? Yeah, okay, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed and found it helpful. Okay, I hope 6 cards already. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 cards. One more to go. Choose with the help of your intuition. Close your eyes and ask your higher self or whatever you believe to guide you to the right one. And yes, let's look into the messages what the cards has for you. I made some small messages card and we will look into those as well. Okay, so like I'm shuffling, I'm just keeping some randomly. This is option number 1. I'm keeping it beside the cards. Alright, so this is option number 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to keep 4 messages card so that you can be more clear about what the person wants to convey if he was near you. This is yeah. This is one, yeah. One, okay, 4. All right, so choose from the one whichever you feel the most drawn to. All right, so let's see. Okay, I'm keeping these cards aside. This is 2. This is option number 3. All right, okay, so let's see option number 1. Will that person reach out to you or not? I'm keeping these for the time in here. All right, so let's see. Okay, so you have the 8 of Cups, Death, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. Oops, I just, okay, like it just flown off. All right, that's okay. uh, okay, then you have the King of Wands, the Fool. Okay, like I just have to keep this in this way. I'm just keeping it in this way so that it does not flies away. Right, so yeah, so all right, okay, so will your person reach out or not, or will he contact or she will contact you or not? Okay, um he left you in the dark. I don't see any proper reasons why he left you. There was an ongoing communication and suddenly everything stopped. I also see silence. The reason is still a very big mystery. Why he left you, or why he has stopped communicating with you. He did not give you any proper reason. He is very silent about this, that why he left you or has stopped communicating with you. I'm getting this. I'm also getting right now, your situation will improve. This energy of being lonely, of being helpless, you are at this moment, you are feeling very helpless. You just feel that you have nothing to do other than just miss him or her right now at this moment. I don't see any kind of third party situation that is blocking him. This reason is very silent. I do see him to be mentally a little bit, like he is doomed, like he is very, very mentally disturbed. I'm getting this energy, and I'm also getting that this energy of not communicating, just missing him, feeling helpless, this energy will come to an end. You will receive a text from him, or it can also be that he will reach out to you. He just wants things to get properly, things to get better. Yes. And for many of you, I'm seeing that your person has had some kind of family issues. After getting resolved, after that issue getting resolved, if his family life gets back to a normal condition, then he's going to reach out to you. I'm getting this energy. He cannot live without you. He feels very good whenever he thinks about you. He thinks about you, and that kind of satisfies him, because he knows that you are not going anywhere. He has confidence on you. He will be honest towards himself or herself. Mostly I'm getting him energy for now, because my subscribers are mostly girls, so that's why I'm using him. Okay, so he will be honest towards him. He will be honest towards his feelings, that yes, they will understand and accept this fact that yes, they miss you, they cannot live without you. Contacting you or communicating you is the key, and they will do it so. They will take the risk of communicating, they will take the risk of reaching out to you and do a new beginning with you. They want to destroy the energy, or it can be they are just waiting for the right thing to happen. They just want this bad energy around him, their mental condition, their family problem to get over, a death to that poor condition, and then they want to start again newly in a fresh way with you. So I'm getting this energy. So what the answer is, will he reach out to you? Definitely he will. The card says so. And one more thing, I will also look into the messages. He definitely misses you. He always thinks about you. He is very happy whenever he thinks about you. He has confidence on you that you are not going anywhere. Okay, so I will look into the messages card. All right. Okay, so alright, I just told you he is right now in a very problematic situation. So he needs your support somewhere or the other. He cannot communicate because either a very problematic situation in his family or his mental condition. That will get better. He will come to you. Next, you are the best. As I told, he is totally confident about you. Why? Because he knows that you are the best. That's why. All right. He also says, I am in love with you, but confessing it is very difficult. So it can be that because it's difficult because he's facing some problems, issues with his mind or family, any one of this case. So it's a problem because now if he starts beginning with you, then the problem will not get resolved. He wants the problem to be resolved first, and then he wants to start with you. That will be more easier. His situation is making it very difficult to confess the true love to you. Okay, I still love you. This was very touching. I told you this person still misses you. He has confidence on you that you will not go anywhere. He loves you. Alright, so high chances this person will reach out. I wish you good luck and all the best. I really hope that this person reaches out to you and this resonates with you. Good luck and be happy. Just enjoy your good energy. Don't be sad. He will reach out. If this resonates, he will reach out. Alright, so I wish you good luck. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and resonating, please give it a like and share if you want with your friends, those who needs it. And yeah, so that's it for today. Bye. Alright, group number 2. Let's see what you have. Alright, so yes, let's see. I understand the pain, like not communicating with the person you love so much. Okay, so I'm keeping these cards aside, the messages cards. Let's look into the cards first. You have the Four of Swords. Alright, then you have the Judgment, Six of Swords, Queen of Swords, Two of Swords, Page of Swords. Page of Wands. Alright, so you have got a very strong sword energy. Before that, let me tell you what this reading is about. Once again, this is about, will he reach out to you or not, or will he come back to you in case you both are in a separation. Okay, so I'm getting this energy. For some of you, this person is far away from you, lives in a different country. For many of you, like for some of you, it has happened that after he has moved away from the country where he was with you together, or in a place where he was with you together, and after he has moved on, there has been some kind of changes. You like that person, you love that person also loved you, but I do see certain things he has done that made you very insecure. Okay, I'm getting this energy as well, and I'm also getting that you got to do with choices. Okay, like I'm getting this energy that you have to make a choice, or he has to make a choice between you and something else. I'm getting a lot of energy regarding insecurities. Someone is very insecure or was very insecure in the relationship. Now, the answer for the question, will he reach out to you? He will communicate. He will send you a text. He will send you a text very soon after he takes the decision between the two. Okay, now this decision can involve a third party situation as well, or it can be that he has to choose between his work and relationship or something like that. he has to choose between, he has to make a decision, and his condition is very challenging at this moment. He is getting very, he is getting difficulties to make a decision. So he has to make the decision, and then only things will take place in a proper way. I do see him to regret somewhere or the other. I'm getting this energy. He definitely misses you. He definitely wants you somewhere or the other, but his situations are very challenging right at this moment after he has moved on for some of you. Alright? Silence has been a very challenging thing for him. Maybe someone was very silent at the beginning or for some time, but he will reach out to you. I do see he needs your support, he needs you. Somewhere or the other, he is feeling very empty. He is insecure without you. He cannot sleep properly. He is having sleeping problem. You are also having that. He is not giving you proper time, or someone did not give proper time to each other. Okay, let's look into the messages. I'm getting a lot of insecurities. All right. So, I always daydream about you. Okay, this person always daydreams about you. Alright, so someone had been silent about anything. I don't know that, but yes, I think not revealing my true feelings is a safe choice. Okay, I told you, like, he is in a situation which is very challenging right at this moment. It can be third party, it can be anything, but he is in a very confusing situation. He is very confused, okay, and insecure as well. That's why he thinks that showing his true feelings is not a safe choice for him because of his insecurities. He knows that you are the right person for him, okay, you are the, and then you are mine, like, yes, okay, he knows that you are his. And I'm also getting this energy, he will text you very soon. He will text you. He will text you between some days or some months. He will text you because emotionally he is very connected with you. Intuitively also he is very connected to you. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope it helped. Okay. Huh. Alright, so let's see. Let's look into the other cards also. Okay, so that's it for today. Do like, share and subscribe. So that's it. Bye. Okay, hello, option number 3. Like, alright, let's see what your cards have. Okay, 4 of cups, page of swords, 5 of swords, king of swords, king of cups, knight of pentacles. So you have got all the energies. Okay, now this person will definitely reach out to you. This person, on leaving you, was very dissatisfied. He felt like he has been defeated. He couldn't think of replacing you also because he knows you are the best for him. He literally is thinking of proposing you somewhere, someday or the other. He's also thinking of coming towards you. Okay, now why did he stop communicating with you? He had stopped communicating with you. Probable reasons are that he was in a situation which was very competitive, like he had a lot of things going on in his life. He wanted to resolve those things. It can be his career, it can be regarding his career as well. And also I'm seeing that he had been lately very dissatisfied with himself because he is not reaching out to you. He should reach out. He knows that you love him very much. Even he knows this very well, and he will reach out to you. And I'm also getting that this person was very busy, very much involved with his own career life. Like he wanted to first establish his career in a proper manner and then come to you. So that made him so busy that he couldn't communicate with you. The amount of time he should have given, he couldn't give or afford to give. So that's why maybe there had been some kind of conflict between you and him, and so there had been a pause in the communication process. But he will reach out to you, he will send you a text eventually. High chances that he will propose you one day as well. I'm getting a very strong spouse energy. Maybe this person wants to get married with you, but he will reach out to you. He will. He will communicate, he will reach out to you, he will give you a proposal. He is very dissatisfied with what he is doing right now, not reaching out, not communicating with you. I'm getting a lot of ego problems here. Like, I shouldn't say that, but I'm getting it. So for some of you, it is a problem. Alright, so let's look into the messages. Okay, he wants, I just wish God unites us. I think like he is definitely wishing God. That's why only he is preparing himself to be at par with you, to give you a proposal, to get a financial stability in order to get you permanently as his wife or a permanent partner. I fear rejection, to be honest. Okay, I just told you he has some kind of ego problems. Like someone or the other has some kind of ego problem. So maybe that's why he cannot come up and just tell you. And he has ego problem. That's why he's not texting you or initiating a communication. Wait for some time. He will communicate. Eventually, he will propose you also one day. Please forgive me. I can't stop missing you. Oh my God! Like, this is so relating. He's very dissatisfied because he knows that you are the one who loves him, and he knows he is the one who loves you so much, but you both cannot talk to each other, and that is why he is in pain without you. Okay, he's very dissatisfied. He feels defeated because he is in pain, because he cannot talk to you. At the beginning only I told, he feels very dissatisfied and defeated because he thinks if the communication is not initiated once again, the relationship will never take place. So he will come to you eventually, and this time he will not miss out to grab the opportunity of getting you as his partner. All right, so yes, he will reach out to you. The cards were pretty good. I hope this resonates and this comes true. So that's it for today. Do like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends, those who needs it, because in this way you show them love as well as you show your love towards me. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello, group number 4. Let's see what the cards has for you. This is two of pentacles. All right, 2 of pentacles, 7 of cups. Okay, 8 of pentacles. Okay, the chariot, 10 of swords, 5 of wands. Okay, now will he reach out to you or not? Okay, this is the question. I'm seeing this person dying from inside without not talking to you. This person is having a lot of mental conflicts he's fighting with himself basically. He cannot stop missing you. He is always manifesting you. He's always thinking about you. He is obsessively thinking about you. But the thing is that he is very much involved with his career. I'm getting this energy. He is right now very busy, or he was very busy at a time, at once. He is in fact thinking like he has a lot of wish to get a new house, get a new apartment whatsoever, and wants to lead a very luxurious life. At the same time, he wants you. So when you came into his life, he realized that maybe like if he distributes his time, then he won't be able to focus on his own career absolutely. So that's why maybe he has stopped communicating with you. But after he has stopped communicating you, he cannot get you out of his head, as well as he is working very hard. You act as a motivation to him. When you had came in his life, he knew that he has to live a very luxurious life in order to make you happy. And now, since when you have left, or he has stopped communicating with you, and there is no communication, this has brought some kind of pain in his heart. He is very very in pain. So will he reach out to you? See, his condition is very very painful, because he is in pain. I do see his enemies to betray him. I don't know, I'm getting this energy. So he has to heal for some of you, but he will reach out eventually, because if he doesn't talks to you or doesn't communicates with you, his mental condition will deteriorate, nothing much. So like that is so bad, because he has to heal himself, and if you are there, then only he will be able to heal. Things will start moving slowly if you are with him. You are a lucky charm for him as well. He's realizing this lately, very late realization. And I also see that he is what do we say, that I'm forgetting that word. He's regretting, okay. He's in a condition where he's regretting a lot. Okay, so let's look into the messages he wants to say. Okay. I'm too shy to talk. Okay, for some of you it can be an introvert person. I'm having dreams about you. Yes, this card is also about dreams. Like, he is daydreaming, he's thinking about you a lot. I told that he is obsessively thinking about you. So yes, I had to leave you because I had no choice. Okay, this is the point. I told that he was in a situation where he needed to work on his career as well. He was very much into luxury, like he wanted to get a very big house, a big apartment whatsoever, but he wanted to fulfill that dream along with you. But he was too busy working on those, and he forgot to devote you proper time. So that's why, see this card and the message, so much relating. So he had no choice, but now he is regretting this. I cannot live without you. So he cannot live without you eventually, because he is in a pain. He is in a very painful situation right at this moment. So he is having some kind of conflicts. I'm also getting that he had no choice, because his enemies maybe had made him very helpless, and so he couldn't come up to you and just say, or maybe for some of you there had been some kind of misunderstanding. Okay, so that's why this made him very helpless, and he had no choice. But he wants to come back, he wants to be back to you, because right now he is in a very painful situation. He needs to heal, and you are the way that he can heal. So that's it for today. I hope it helped, and let me know in the comment section down below if you had faced similar situation or not. So yeah, that's it for today. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.